Hi and welcome at Informatics. I am Gerry, and this is a quick guide on the Schedule tab in WERK. Now, with the Schedule tab open, you first go to choose a resource, in this case Stanley Moss, and it will open his schedule. Now, by default, only recent will be ticked. In other words, it will just give you the recent bookings, but you can just untick it, and then it will give you the full picture. If you need to add a resource for Stanley Moss, or yourself want to do it, you can just go to the drop down, choose a client and add it. And there you have it. Jordan is now part of his schedule. Then there's also this, makes it nice to look at. If you want that, you can include the weekends, give it a little bit different view. Lastly here, you can also download all this information to an Excel file to print or to save by just pressing here and say yes, go. And I've done it beforehand because of time, and it will look like this. Good. Then two important features is the statistics that shows you the issues that was booked, logged with each client. Like in this case, 10 issues logged with Zaxby. This helps you to prioritize, because now you can see how active clients are. And then 3-month and 6-month statistics shows how many was closed within the last 3 months and within the last 6 months. Then on visit, you've got the possibility of, like, let's take Zaxby again. Say, for example, they are 10 kilometers away, and you've visited them 4 times, and when you click there, you'll see that was a total of 80 kilometers. Of course, you go there 10 and back 10. The wonderful thing of this is you can submit this as a logbook to SAS. And then let's make a booking. If we open our customer portal, and this is now in the name of Zaxby, so Zaxby wants to book someone. So if he goes to Stanley Moss and he opens his diary, they can immediately see first the slots, meaning how was it set up, how's his availability. In his case, is mornings and afternoons. Let's go to a date. See, this will be okay. So you can go to the 20th and book. Oh, there's a problem because it's too near. So then you need to do another date. Let's go to the 24th, and there the booking is complete. So now we can go back. Now you can just refresh. And there you have it. There's the afternoon book, and when you choose that, the detail will open. You can see the afternoon, and the customer is Zaxby. And that is it for our Schedule tab. Bye for now. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to contact us. Know Informatics, because it is good to know.